What's good? Shotgun Suge versus Calicoe. Going down April 5th in Detroit. Look, man, I know what everybody thinking, man. Like, yo, damn, Suge, you about to go to Detroit. You about to take that battle in Detroit, some backyard, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Man, this is a silence all the haters, man. You here to kill that noise. And I'm going out there because he swayed he won the first one, but he really didn't. But, you know what I mean, we're going to benefit of that, the whole controversy and all that. You know what I mean? So we're going to go out there and settle it. We did it first time on the East Coast. Now, we're going to take it to the Midwest. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think this is important for the culture. I think this is important for my career, for his career. You know what I'm saying? Because you take Shotgun Suge versus Calicoe, the first one out, like the whole story, like the whole battle rap story got to get told different. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, we don't know. Like, you get what I'm saying? Like, that was very monumental. Like, even from how battles is set up with mics and everything. Niggas don't even know how we was mic'd up that day. Like, it's just like, you know what I'm saying? Like, so this is very, very, very important. You know what I'm saying? We gonna end the saga right here. So, like, after this is nothing. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with Cal, but that day I don't fuck with Cal. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, we not coming in there on no friendly shit. Like, this ain't like, nah, this ain't that. Like, niggas coming to make statements. Like, so it's gonna definitely be one of those. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm excited. Shout out to Calicoe. Shout out to, you know what I mean? Shout out to Iceware. Man, shout out to the city of Detroit. Detroit love me, though. Like, let's be clear. Like, I know it's a lot of hate for me out there. I know that, but, like, Detroit love me. I got more songs with Detroit niggas than these battle rap Detroit niggas. And that's a fact. Like, I got multiple joints with Vezo. I got a joint with Peasy. Like, I got a Cash Dog. You already know Cat. Like, man, that's my dog. You know what I mean? So it's like, you know what I mean? Like, Detroit love me. And I love Detroit. You know what I'm saying? We coming out there, man. We're gonna set the stage on fire. You know what I mean? You know, that's what I do anyway. I think I'm gonna win because my back against the wall. Y'all already know how I do in these situations, man. Y'all already know. Like, y'all already know. Y'all seen my last joint with Easy. Y'all already know what I do in these type of situations. My back against the wall. Everybody think I'm gonna lose because it's his birthday. And it hurt to kill a nigga on his birthday, man. It's gonna hurt, man. I'm telling you, man. You already got the doubters, cheerleaders on the motherfucking, on the internet saying, like, how leveled up he is. Like I didn't level up. Like, I didn't, like, nigga, like, you gotta think, like, nigga like Calicoe been rapping his whole life. Nigga, I just was learning how to rap when me and him battled. Like, let's be free. Like, that's a fact. Like, I was just learning how to rap. Famous as hell, just learning how to do it. Like, I always had it. Like, you know what I mean? Like, everybody don't have it like that. Calicoe obviously he got the it joint, you know what I'm saying? But he been rapping longer than me. Like, I got it. Like, you know what I'm saying? I was, like, born with it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was born to be a star. My mother was a star. My mother was a fucking Hall of Famer. Basketball, you know what I'm saying? 1,000 points, 1,000 rebounds in college. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just like I was born to be this, like, you know what I mean? So you already know, man, it's going down. April 5th, get your tickets, whatever you need to do. It's going to be one of those, man. And this just one of many. I'm going to keep talking about it as we go along, you know what I'm saying, dropping more. But I just wanted to let my people know what's going down April 5th in Detroit. Get your tickets right now. You know what I'm saying? Shotgun Suge versus Calicoe, April 5th in Detroit.